Hello everyone, I am Advocate Akhil Solanki, Associate at LEXIS and Company. So in this video, we're going to discuss alimony and maintenance laws. So as we all know, in India, women had full equality, at least legally, and unified respect. However, in modern culture, women are using the very legislation that was designed to protect them as a weapon instead of a shield. So by making false accusation under its provisions and threatening their husbands under the decree, there is no way out of this swamp for men. So because men do not have adequate laws to protect them, and man must overcome obstacles in order to establish his innocence. So being a male does not imply that he did anything wrong and that he must shoulder all expenditure and pay maintenance without being at fault. Our court operates under the guiding philosophy: let a hundred guilty be acquitted, but one innocent be convicted. So why is not our government paying attention to the current situation? Further, the society needs an atmosphere in which men may openly report incidents without fear of being ridiculed. So this video will address how Indian alimony laws are being utilized for purposes other than what they were intended for, and how they are prejudiced towards one gender. Further, we must analyze and adapt to what the rest of the world is doing. Many advanced and developing nations outside of their own understand the value of gender neutrality and permit people to make claims for spousal maintenance as opposed to maintenance to just wives. The United Kingdom, Russia, Singapore, France, Sri Lanka and South Africa are few examples of these nations. So thank you. See you in next video with some more information.